Guys, look at this view. Look at this view. Look at this view. Wow. Well, guys, you know, I'm just arrived. And trust me, when I come and greet you first, and we have the man himself.
Oh, yeah, man. Respect Patrick, you know.
Patrick.
Yeah,
Guys, so you're Patrick, our extended family, you know. Remember I told you I'm coming to get the pampers, you know, for the elders, you know, see me. And trust me, with the way up in the sky. Way up in the sky, guys. I'm telling you, you know how far we are right now. Way past the lookout, way up in the Valley Hills right now. Well, guys, well, look on the man locks. Yeah? Yo, look, in them pocket.
Oh my
God. It's a whole heap of locks, man. How many years now you grow this?
Boy, around 20 to 30 years, you know, in the bracket there, you know.
Yeah. That's a long, so you have to roll with a knapsack. Yes, guys, so we're here in Spanish Town now. You know, to see the Blind Brothers. Boy,
go on.
As you can see,
water.
Water.
But we're working at anyway that make them know.
So I have good give thanks to A and G, you know, that make this possible for the Blind Brothers. You know, A and G, thank you so much, you know, for looking out for the Blind Brothers.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
You know, welcome, blessed Mama. Welcome. So today we put it in some work on Mother Teresa's, you know. Hey.
Alright, this is the water.
Jesus! Jackson. Jesus! Greetings. Natural at the best. Never let it rest.
Like a high machine.
Always grinding. Yes. Only living hero.
You know it goes good, man.
Mixing. Alright. Mixing mortar.
One can come from board one time. One time. Next box now. One time can come from.
Yes, guys, so you know, today we're putting in some work. Mother Teresa's place, you know, giving her a strength because. Yeah, this is the steam train. Yeah, so today is the day we're then putting in some work here. And Mother Teresa, you know, because you know, we're trying to see if we can share the time, you know, because as you can see, washer project is not far off finishing, you know, so today we decided that they're giving Mother Teresa strength with some flashing, you know, get the flashing done as well too before they do the slabbing, you know. So teamwork, the dream work, you know. So who is here does give me enough strength and everything. Teresa. Go up. It's a ladder firm.
Rasta.
It's a ladder firm. Get the flashing. So the bathroom come out now. Alright guys, so as you can see, the bathroom come all the way out, you know, so the bathroom is a bit more bigger. As you can see, the space where it was before, you know, it was right here, so it come all the way out now. So She have a bigger bathroom space. You know, remember how it was looking before? As you can see, it come all the way out now. You know, and right here being chipped off as well. So it was chipped off right here, so at the wall. You know, so everything should have a bigger space, everything is open. You know, and naturally here with the steam machine, steam train.
Oil machine.
Oil machine. The oil machine. Boy guys, that's why I always appreciate natural, because I tell you, say boy, it's only the act of kindness, you know, the loving them art, them out, you know, looking out for people as well, so why he's really doing what he's doing, because if you do all the love in your art, you're not going to do it, you know. That's how I see it. You know, doing the act of kindness, you have to have love, you know, because that's what conquers art. You cannot do it from your mind, you have to do it from your heart, you know, because that's what leads the most. So that's why you have to stay focused on showing the love, you know. So as you can see, it's a bigger space, you know, for the bathroom, well bigger. You know, the toilet over here, and over here will be the shower area. You know, as you can see, this was where the first lining was. Here was where the first lining was, right? So you can see the lining. So the way they do, they lick away all the blocks, you know, and bring them forward. So no block never waste, because they use about the piece of blocks, you know, to make up back these walls, as you can see. So you can see naturally as a man, when he's working fast. So these are the piece of blocks that he used, you know, to join them back from where it was right here. So it was too close, you know. And here will be our walkway, same way, come down this way. So you can see the rubber here of most of the piece of blocks them. So next thing we're gonna get done is the decking as well, to the deck off right here, you know, and just seal it off after everything is kind of finished off inside there. So we're moving as how it's supposed to be moving, you know. So they've been asking for the updates, so this is what's going on right now. Mother Teresa.
Hi, my extended family. Thank you for my journey. Everything so far. So the source we look at it. This is just the starting. Yeah.
Well, it started already, just the continuation of it, you know. It's just the continuation of it. It's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. I want to go collect some pampas as well too for the elders them.
For the ones?
So you can come and give them out. Because Damari and his daughter need pampas too.
So you shut them off?
To them, I think want to go for them.
Oh, yeah, go for them? Oh.
Yeah, go for them first. So I'm reaching up there as well to say, boy, you know the journey already naturally, it never stop. You have to keep on moving.
Once alive.
Yes, you have to keep it moving. Cannot stop move, boy. Have to keep it moving. Look guys, so this is it. It keeps moving. So as I say, we thank you so much, you know, for reaching out to helping out the less fortunate here in Trenchtown, you know, and also helping out the members there. As you can see, you know, natural and you know, a lot of things doing at the same time, you know. So guys want to pray and give out for the health and strength for each and every one, you know, for the build and each and member of them, for everyone can continue on this journey. And we thank you so much for continuing to fuel the engine, because trust me, you know, it is it needs that blessings, it needs that encouragement, it needs that to continue on this journey. You know, it's not easy. So this is it, you know, this is it. So you will see, you know. So sooner or later Mother Teresa don't have to walk down any ladder, but now so we have to go and work it for the time being.
No.
For the time being.
Soon start up on staircase, man.
Yeah, soon and very soon.
Once the machine up and running.
Staircase. Nice room space as well too. And bathroom. In there is where Mother Teresa's son is. The man don't come outside anymore.
Not a book in this man.
Boy.
Yeah.
Phone, make him care.
Come and talk about him, man. You can see somebody right now talking about man.
Good. Up and up. Up and up and up and up. That is it. This
No,
one?
I can keep the water in a bowl.
Oh, wow. So out here is the machine train.
Done that one again.
Only live in Hero, there is no other. The only wow. Teamwork make the dream work. You know, teamwork make the dream work. Teamwork make the dream work.
Put on some more same time.
Yes, you can do the board done yet.
I'm saying, do what we have to first, God up.
Yeah, the board done yet.
Yeah. I give you some info.
And 2 more man.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to collect some pampers and come back. Right, so.
That's the road.
I collect some pampers and come back.
And there upon the ground.
Yeah, man. Pick up some pampers and come back. You know, wear pampers anymore, so I get some and put on some for when the baby ready for born.
Whoa, them baby pampers say about
All the sizes there as well too.
one of them can stay till the year done and start
Of
again.
course.
Alright.
So I put on some. Oh,
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
No, them a further me and put on you.
Of course.
Time she come and see it, I said, baby, I can born.
They'll tell the baby of a barn, man.
Of course.
Yes, man, because girls don't love influence about them, they can't stay. They don't go nowhere and go barn next door. I will go and send you, I go wake them up. Huh?
Exactly.
You know, and they'll tell them up and be the fast. They're not about.
Yeah, man.
Children think I go on now.
Hey.
Yeah, children think I just stand out and ball about and sit down for them already.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna head out before there's too many traffic on the road so I can come back and finish off. You know, so stay tuned. Here's a plan. We're gonna head to Spanish Town. We're gonna buy some groceries from Blind Brothers as well too. From A&G. So we're gonna head to Spanish Town with Blind Brothers because we're gonna get the pampers then for the elderly, but the man is not here. He said he's in the countryside, so we're gonna get his grocery here. So we're gonna head to Spanish Town. If you never resign, you wouldn't see us. So it's good thing you resign. But she will get another one, you get another work. Good. Once she resign, she have a plan. And never them fire. Right? Whenever you resign, you have a plan. You don't resign and not have a plan. And when you fly out, I plan that. Hey. She have a plan.
If she know they don't catch a cock and everything.
Interview, no.
Some groceries we come buy for you and Ella, you know.
Great, that one. Chairman, big up the team. Kino, you know the thing going on. One Kino, we outside, done a town with it. You hear that? Free world boss, shut the boss. Check out the TikTok page. Prodigy, shut the boss. Soon we're going. Casa living, fully Gaza. You know outside. Kino, what do you do? That is it.
Yes guys, so we're here in Spanish Town now.
Man,
You
the
know, to see
water.
the blind brothers. What
And
boy?
Go on.
As you can see.
Water.
Water.
But we're working at anyway that make them know.
So I good give thanks to A and G, you know, that make this possible for the blind brothers. You know, A and G, thank you so much, you know, for looking out for the blind brothers. You know, so walking past Tracy.
Yes, I do, yeah.
Yeah, she's not there.
Our
'cause
door closed. Yeah. Watch your cat. Well relaxed. You know, I say working at any weather. Sun, rain.
So imagine over here the rain there.
Yeah.
We can fall and stop outside.
I'll continue in St. Catherine.
Yeah, just follow my footsteps.
One set of footprints in the sand.
See the step? Guys, this is what happens when it's rain here. You know, wow. This is that runway. Vanilla. Patrick, how you doing?
Yeah, good evening.
Evening.
Good evening, sir.
Evening.
Are you still alright, sir?
Eh?
Alright?
Yes.
Respect, yeah,
Respect.
Yes, sir, yes.
Respect. I
Thank
mean,
you, sir.
yeah, man. Every time. Charles. How is everything?
One book won't come back then, man.
One boil.
Yeah, man.
No big boy, you know.
A small boy.
Fancy boy, you take out by it.
Okay.
Lie down on it. You can't lie down on it, feel you have it there now.
Drop us since the 3 other year in my walk, on the wet place and drop.
Oh, you drop.
Yeah, you know, listen when me I talk to you. So, on the
Sleep
own.
and drop.
No, first thing we don't know. My right hand me I tell you things first thing. Me I tell you, you know hard boat, or hard old boat, or water boat.
Water boat. No, 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 water. Hey, we have some water boat, though.
7
Our size.
Size 9 and size 10.
We have to go check. We have some water boat from the farm thing, though.
Yeah, man.
Or you want a water boat?
Yeah, man.
Cause for the rain?
Yeah, man, in a yard full of water when you're in the valley.
Yeah, because I notice you need a runaway. So the water can run off. You don't run off?
No run off.
True, the food for the poor thing come in, the water to run and go to the canal, but the house is in the way, so the system, water flow change up.
Okay.
Most people just dump up the hand.
Oh.
If you can get a hard water boat in a hard boat.
Yeah. So,
Try your best in it.
Oh, so you buy linoleum in here for him?
Yeah, the lady they call me. From the same dream team.
Yeah, yeah.
She call me and some must buy a new room, so I just do it the same day.
Yeah, because we give her your number.
Yeah,
and everything.
do it the same day.
Woman from the program. And the mattress are all up good and everything.
Yeah man, the mattress alright so far.
So everything alright how I go.
Yeah man, everything is good man. Everything is good, you know. So right now we bring some groceries here for you and your brother.
Yeah man.
You know. Where's that Patrick?
Thank you.
Yeah man, give thanks.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Restaurant.
So you say you get your linoleum as well too?
Yeah man.
It was alright. It was alright.
Alright.
See? Is this that?
Yeah, nice.
Alright. It
Yeah,
was alright.
Yeah man, so we give thanks you have your linoleum.
Alright.
Yeah.
I really want it now.
Yeah.
I really want now.
Radio.
Yeah.
The light.
Light.
What's going on with the light now, Orlando?
Chicken.
Emmanuel if they come look on it, he not come yet, you know.
Oh.
Cause the electrician, we have to have a money to get that the man there.
Oh, himself.
Yeah, look like
Okay.
that might explain to me.
Okay. Alright, so we get a donation where you can help out with that then. With that now you can just give him,
Yeah.
you know, and make him come deal with the light, so it's full time.
I'm for touching me now.
Yeah, so full time now when you can have the light.
Probably have to go wake up, get up on the bed and sit down.
Okay, your foot. The chamber. Can you wear him slippers? Can you so wet? You know, have to put
No,
on
no,
your foot.
slippers, no.
No, super.
Yeah, slippers.
True, I just must in a
Give
bed
me
in
water.
there.
Give me
Yeah.
water.
No, we are super.
I put something on cloth, one dry cloth here so then, Orlando.
Me don't want slippers in there for me blind. I don't want to.
Yeah.
Hey, pull out and I throw him, I may throw it away.
Yeah, dry cloth you can put it on it in foot or something. That's wet. I can try buy one cheap slippers. Pay about $1,000 you can get one for.
One foot at all, me can't stand up with you know.
Where's your foot on that, Charles?
Which like what you do for you, man?
Yes.
Yeah, man, sympathize with you.
Alright then, so we have this for you from A and G. You know, this grocery, a lot of stuff in here. So much, but never know what's the box heavy. Yeah? See the receipt there? This is what 11,000 odd grocery look like in Jamaica.
Okay.
See the 11,000 odd we pay for this. This is what it look like in Jamaica, right?
A&G.
Them say Jamaica is really getting like America.
A nice lady there, a nice lady, when you buy it, alright?
With our vice. Okay.
And thank you for your voice, you know.
Thank you for the price.
Can't say, you know, but when you thank you, can't say you're happy, say, you know, but your voice so happy.
Yes, our vice is happy. Her name is Esther.
Yeah.
Esther from the Bible.
Esther
I
one.
guess you get the name from the Bible.
Yes.
Esther one name when I got school.
Mm-hmm.
A pet name that, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Where's her
You
real
know I
name?
got school and then tell them.
Mm-hmm.
Name Esther. I don't eat young boy, them all run down Esther.
Yes, yes.
Love the name Esther.
Yeah, man, it's a good name, man. Esther. Esther.
I just not tell you Esther name. It's a family name, you know.
Yeah.
The four family man's money name, son.
Esther,
Family
right?
name.
It is a family name. It is. You know, alright. Hold on there.
Good talk, you know.
Sit down. Yeah.
When foot them and shake.
Yeah, man. In a week, I have to try because him now eat as how he usually eat before. I have to force him to eat and then
Him drink?
On December, I'm
drink. Yeah, in drink, but he still not drink
Like
a whole lot.
porridge or so? You know, you
Yeah,
him
mostly
drink it?
porridge.
Him drink it?
Porridge.
Well, that
yeah.
good.
Yeah. Well, we bring oats and corn in at the back.
Yeah, that you like oats.
And cornflakes, like cereal.
Alright, we have some donation for you.
Now bring down carrot.
Carrot.
That
No.
mix on you.
We can buy
You
that.
can buy carrot.
You see them when we take about carrot. You see? On December,
Yeah.
I don't drink a carrot though.
So I'm gonna buy a carrot for you.
Carrot go.
Alright then, so alright, hold on, come back that side. I will side, we see this side better. Yeah.
Side bread.
Every Sunday we always drink carrot.
Yeah. Alright then, come back that side. It's better that side for me. Yeah. Alright then, so hold on, we have some donation here for the brothers them. Yeah. And this is from his name is Patrick as well too. His name is Patrick Joseph.
Patrick Joseph.
But this is for to help out with the electricity instead, right? So with this now you can help pay the man so he can come and give the light for you, okay?
Okay.
So we have 17,000 here for you from Patrick Joseph from the USA.
Okay. Alright, thanks for 17,000 to help out with the electricity from Patrick Joseph. No
Yeah.
respect.
Yes, from the USA.
From the USA.
Yes.
Respect.
See everyone who went to promise you up. I want you to just get up the water.
Yeah. Just give them that kind of on the phone. Alright then, so we have another one here from Oliver.
Oliver.
Yeah, from the USA. $10,000 from Oliver from the USA.
Yeah, Ali from the USA. I
Oliver,
received
yeah.
$10,000. Respect and thanks. Alfonso, Patrick will appreciate it.
Yes. And we also have Rose as well too from the USA. So this is for the blind brothers, 14,000, for the blind brothers them both. So this is 14,000 from Rose from the USA.
Yes, Miss Rose, I received $14,000. Enough respect and thanks. The brothers appreciate it.
All right. I will also have this is from Miss P from Turks and Caicos. You know the island of Esther? Turks and Caicos. From Caribbean island, and they said 35,000, for the blind brothers.
Okay.
So this is third of the counted first.
Okay.
It's counted.
Miss P from Turks and Caicos.
Caicos, yeah.
You don't laugh off a pronunciation. Alright.
It's 35.
I received $35,000
So
for the two brothers. Yeah,
35 from Miss P from Turks and Caicos.
From Turks and Caicos. Enough respect and thanks. Patrick and Alphonse appreciate it.
Me didn't miss it, but I make it do it after. So this is from Verona.
Verona.
Hold on. Yeah, so this is from Verona Faith Believer from Bronx, New York.
Yeah.
$7,000 for the blind brothers.
Okay.
So it's
Verona from Bronx, New York.
yes.
Enough respect and thanks. Patrick and Alfonso appreciate the donation. Yeah, enough respect.
Yeah? Oh, the water boat. Oh, hold back. That one I have to the officer. Alright then, so we give thanks to all our donors. Then we thank you so much for blessing the blind brothers.
Yeah, I really appreciate the help. Yeah, thanks and respect.
Yes. So with that now you can help out with the light, right?
Yeah.
So next time I will come back, light should be there, right?
Yeah, may I go towards the light?
Yes. Because we need that now. I'm not know you have to go find some solution as well for the water, because you can always have this problem if it's rain. So if
Me have a solution from time. My idea was to get the yard dump up still.
Yeah.
And make a corridor.
Okay.
Before him get bad,
Yeah.
they suggested to it, but through them all line of them old fashioned, them I say, nah go work and whatever. So I make it just stay so.
Yeah.
Through them bad advice.
Okay, true. Alright then, so we give thanks. Alright then, Charles.
Glad to hear from you now.
Yes, man.
You can't keep moving sick, you know.
Yes.
You can't reach on track to do.
Yeah, I realize I cannot too.
Remember, you can't look at something for me.
Yeah. Alright. He's there, your son there.
The time now.
Yeah, man, no problem. Alright then, so big up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I take that drive though.
Yeah, man, I will. Alright, and all of us continue the good work, same
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Thanks, I appreciate that.
Yes. Alright. Yeah. Hold on, sir. Patrick.
Hey,
But there.
see me.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you alright? Yeah, man, you just take care, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Just take care. So, we want the lights start out so you can have your radio. You say you can have... Yeah. But you have lights soon. Yes? Yeah, man. So, all I'm gonna start it out for you, yeah?
Take care.
Yeah, man. Every time.
Yeah.
Alright. Pray for Esther for me. They can't swim, man. Woo!
I'm just a set.
Yeah. So, so we give thanks for the blessings for the blind brothers, you know, and well, we just passed Gracie home, but she's not there, you know, so hopefully, you know, we can get her wheelchair soon because, you know, someone, you're right? Yeah. We not forget you, yeah? Yeah, man, alright. We not forget you. Yeah, man. Hello, mommy. Alright then. Yes, yeah, man. So, someone said they got a wheelchair from Miss Gracie, but they, you know, it's gonna ship it off, you know, so hopefully when they get there, you know, she can get that. So we thank you so much for helping out the blind brothers, you know. It's been the world to us, you know, for helping out, assisting the less fortunate, as they can see the condition, you know. So guys, so thank you know, all the extended family for donating. We thank you so much, you know, for blessing us, for blessing the brothers them, you know. We thank you so much for looking out for Charles Brothers and for the grocery from A and G. You know, we thank you so much for also for doing so. You know, God bless you and thank you so much. Alright guys, so see it there? Guys, so here are the Fabulous Brothers. You know where the quality is, authentic. You got yourself every time. So this is the Wow Chef window 2x2, right?
Yeah.
2x2, so guys. So this is the Wow Chef window we just picked up. So you can just rest them right there. So, you know, so guys, remember say when you want the genuine, the authentic window, remember to link up Fabulous Brothers. You know, don't be afraid to contact them if you want a good window. If you want the good things, then you see it there. It's well genuine and well nice. You know, so give them a shout out to your number again.
412-8500.
So it's 1876
412-8500.
and that's the Fabulous Brothers. So guys, so you can call them, you know, forget your window. Well fitted door as well too, so in the windows.
Door, shower enclosure, kitchen cupboard.
Everything.
Just anything aluminum can make. Once it can make,
Yes.
once it can make it.
So anything what aluminum can make, he can make it. So you can just give them a call, you know, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. You'll be so happy, you know, very authentic, genuine, you know, quality. That's what they're looking for. Quality, not quantity. You know, so check them, Fabulous Brother. Big up and respect, yeah?
I respect that.
Yeah, man. Alright then, big up, man. Yes. So yes, so that's the Wow Chef window just get picked up. So you know, say Wow Chef close up Well. Blessed love, guys. Welcome back to Kina Life in Jamaica. Trust me, it's a rainy season here in Jamaica. It's nothing but rain, guys. It's just pure rain right now. You know, it's pure rain. As you can see outside, it's pure rain. The place is dark. You know, a lot of water. You know, but you know it's well due because it's been a while now. No rain have been fall here in Jamaica. You know, it's been a while, so it was needed as well too. You know. So yes, guys, as you see, it was change of plan for me to go and get the Pampers them yesterday. So I'm gonna try and get them today. You know, so basically it's up Redhills. You know, up Redhills where you pass Lookout. You know, so I'm literally going way up in the hills to go and get these bumpers. So hopefully it's not too much traffic and it's not too many rain, you know, but you cannot sit down and wait for the rain to stop, you know, sometime in what you do because you don't know when Mother Nature is going to stop. So it's doing its course, so we have to just take on the journey same way. But we've been getting rain for the last couple of days, and trust me, Jamaica did need some water because the place was like proper dry. Yeah, it wasn't no rain for like a couple of days, so it was well needed. So we're not gonna complain, you know, we're just gonna give thanks for the water that we've been getting because there wasn't none at all, you know, and the place did hot. So now the place cool and the place wet. So we have to give thanks, right? We have to give thanks now. So we have to give thanks. So I'm gonna take my time, you know, go up the hill, you know, and see what we can get. If we can get there in time before it's too dark or whatsoever. But we're going up that hill today. So hopefully it's not too many traffic for going up there. You know, because I know Redhills Road is always pure traffic. So let's see. I'm gonna head that direction today. But trust me, there was traffic. Even on this side of the road, look on the traffic. Traffic over there. So this is what I'm talking about. The traffic is there already. So I don't know. Look at that pure traffic coming this way. So literally I cannot drive this way coming back, as you can see. Hey, traffic. Guys, look at this view. Look at this view. Look at this view. Wow. Well, guys, you know, I'm just arrived, and trust me, when I come and greet you first, and we have the man himself.
Oh, yeah, man. Respect Patrick, you know.
Patrick.
Yeah, man.
So you're Patrick, our extended family, you know. Remember I told you I'm coming to get the Pampers, you know, for the elders, you know, see me. And trust me, we're way up in the sky. Way up in the sky, guys. I'm telling you, you know how far we are right now. We are past the Lookout, way up in the Beverly Hills right now.
The fog, right?
Yes.
Yeah, man,
Up here don't need AC.
No, man, you don't need AC, man.
You need AC. And I'm here with Esther as well too. You're with Esther. Well, guys, well, look on the man locks.
Yeah?
Yo, look in them pocket.
Oh
my God.
It's a whole heap of locks, man. How many years now you grow this?
Boy, around 20 to 30 years, you know, in the bracket there, you know.
Yeah. That's a long. So you have to roll with a knapsack. I'm putting on a knapsack.
No, I'm about 2 minutes home, I just go and chill,
yeah. Why the view coming up, me and tell you.
Never a statue here too, you know.
A statue?
No, see that?
Oh.
This pasta chat is up to what?
Yeah. The man have it all, Esther. But now like, up here so cool and nice. Up here look like a countryside. At the country hilltop this though. Yeah. Up here nice, man. I'm not lie. We can throw them in the trunk.
I'm going to bring them one.
Yeah, throw them in the trunk. And the black bag that on it that's all.
No, it's like chapali.
Ah, chapali. Hey. But come like some of your viewer blackout.
Yeah, them tree need to cut them much right, and they kill near about 3 them, man.
You see, Esther?
About 3 there.
So,
I come at night time, you can see the whole I city there, you know?
Yeah, see there? Peace. Zoo. Take off your shoes there.
Man, come here, man. Come here.
Wow.
Yeah, I think this
It's a holy.
I want to lose some of them too, but that's how the game go, you know?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Esther, so I go on.
And we have some sheet, bedding sheet and thing. We have some wipes, and we have some thing like say you have a swell knee or so, burn or bite or what.
Which one?
In the box.
This we can put on your.
And on your skin if you get burned, bite or so, and swelling or so.
Okay.
You can rub it on it, you know.
Like mosquito bite or something. And these are wipes.
Wipes.
Let me see what these are like. Okay. Esther, you know these? Me about the tossing. Oh, so they are different
Yeah,
things.
different things inside. And that them thing, the tablets and going at them thing there.
Yeah.
If you want.
To
It's
remember.
inside it too. You can use them things.
How would I thunder?
Yeah, you come and go every minute, you know. So you can find them on the back with that.
I forgot to carry the big bag and stuff. You know, so the goal and I do well with these. Though,
You them feel something, yeah?
tell me though.
Yeah, want somebody something to
Yeah,
in
for
my
the medic.
morning pill.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, these are the
I'm
gloves.
going to stack it in the back here and I carry them, you know. And I want to them 3 or 4 for it up to those.
The back can hold much though?
You don't know, I want to carry them like that, about 4 or 5. I can't put them on this one there. Well, no, come try class, so take off them things off the top, the white one.
Yeah, pop the smaller one.
Alright.
I'm a cat like that.
Yeah.
Watch how you walk here, Keith.
Yes, man, I know.
Kayak and slip it through the wet.
Yeah. Oh, another rough one.
Yeah, a commercial one, another wrong thing the man them put on, you know.
Oh, so they never know they put the rough tile to go on steps.
Well, Jamaicans still when they're about that.
Yeah, when you're not about them, do what they want to do.
Store a bit of the country, the people. And send catch in there.
Oh, yeah, let me see, I put it in the work pan.
Yeah. They're done, man. One day come in at night then. Someone
Of
keep
course.
opening like, you know.
Of course. Of course. The rough tile.
Yeah, be careful when you walk.
No, but that's not a rough, that's a smooth one.
More thing up there?
Yeah, man.
Walk like ping pong ball.
Yeah. Well, a good thing saying I have no elderly live here if you come down these steps when it rains.
Yeah, look, you know, sir. When I left and just lock it up and go away. Sometimes I out there for a couple months and then you come back down, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, Kino,
Yeah?
they put that one up in the ice still.
Yeah.
These are some wipes you can put your car.
Oh, you know. Yesterday I buy one as well I put in there, you know. Yes. You know what I go on.
Yeah.
Everything finished?
Can hold a box like
Put that back to Esther. But One thing I like with up here, so you still have a lot of neighbors.
So you know you can put the strap thing. Yeah, that thing you can put it.
Oh, you have a nice place, man. Yeah, man, beautiful place. What's your name there?
Oh, Esther.
No, Mango. The Mango.
Oh, special
Mango
stay.
love it.
A long time I watch it either, man.
I want him to like when so you have a lot of neighbors.
Yeah, man. Even when you go up on the road and go and wave to Rockall and go to the mountain and go and pray to Rockall, you know. Wave to the sun. So, yeah, man, some nice.
Catch you, see fog there?
Yeah, the fog.
See fog there,
You
right?
come out an hour before?
Fog there, yes, sir?
Oh, you couldn't see a car, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
See, this is the place. This is the place. Because I'm not like to put the car in a one.
So you have lizard and so?
Up that hill, yeah.
Yeah.
So you have lizard and so here?
How much have
No,
lizard?
we can spray on the place, you know.
Oh.
And keep her insect, you know.
Okay. Yo, I love the place, man. I lie. I'm going to sorry say you never see the view, you can see it from the other side.
Sometimes when them build up on the right side, tell me about it. You can see the whole of downtown.
Alright guys, we really have to thank Patrick, you know, for these diapers, you know, and the wipes, you know, for the elders them, you know. Also the promise Damari some and the local boy that got shot, the 10-year-old local boy.
Yeah.
Them size in there as well, though.
Sure.
I can't see what size.
Two different sizes, I think, you know.
And it's size,
not strap on, I think
they're very...
You have the strap on. You know what, medium? Medium, right? You sure?
A large, 44 to 58 inches.
Can you see the video look boy got shot?
Yeah,
10-year-old.
Yeah.
So in weird these as well too, and Damari, you know, Damari is bedridden as well too. Yeah, Miss Dassa also we can get some, you know. Really like that, man. Really like that, man.
Oh, until I say I just should come now, I was last year come and get portion more.
Yeah. Yeah, true, because through the timing as well too.
Right, you know.
Because I tell Esther, say, listen, Esther, I have to go and meet this man because listen, the last time you never get that chance and you're so gone again, some of those come. Because we never expect you to come back so quick.
Yeah, you know things already. You know, sometimes I already plan for a thing.
Yeah, because I'm surprised when I come back already and you're like, alright then, this time we cannot make them stay again so long.
I'm going to long, maybe next month or two, I'm going again, you know.
Oh, see there if you look a while this time.
Come on, go on, can I finish up around now?
Hope so.
Yeah.
We have to go link up, man, and come up here, man, because I like them type of them view, man, you know.
When you it's really sun hot.
Yes.
You go up on the hill there and see what I got, man.
They say, ready for that, Esther? Of course. You know, a river up here and them thing there?
No, not really.
Not really.
Remember the shop down to the store down so? Down there have a nice river.
On the flat?
Down a Zion, eh? So you like to go back some, go straight.
Yeah.
There's a rock hall, make a right, you go to Park Road, and then make a next step from Park Road, and go all the way down.
Oh.
You know, country that, you know?
Country that, nice river up there.
Well, the river then kind of suck out, but you know what I say?
Me therefore come check him and I would just make two drive in the place.
Yeah, man.
Definitely I come check you know.
Yeah, man.
Come like them nature vibes, yeah.
Show me for doing something keen.
Oh, the location.
Yeah,
yeah, make us. Yes, guys, we really like this area. Cause look at this. Yeah, Esther, show him because the man said just stick to the old school thing and done. Guys, let me say up here is very nice, very cool. You know the place, so cool. Banana hang over. So you know, sir, you response for that one, yeah. So once banana hang over, I hear one that.
I the property same way.
Oh, your own same way. Okay. Okay, so your piece of land over the same way.
No, it's a different land.
Okay. I like the place when I set up. Yeah, it's definitely like the countryside and thing. So if you go this side away, continue to walk down more than the place.
Yeah, this is going all the way around.
Wow. Oh, I can feel the coolness already. You don't have AC up here.
No, we don't have AC. So I could fan and go and fan around, you know?
Yeah. So for this area is quiet, right? No violence.
It wasn't for them guys up here that me know enjoy themselves. You don't hear nobody.
Oh. So there's no violence up here, nothing at all like that. Guys, just look at all the nature.
We're put together, you know?
Work together and everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That's so, I tell you, Jamaica is so beautiful.
Yeah, man. True, man.
You know, imagine it. Well, it's my first time coming up this side, but last time when I come, I turn off. There's a left turn where you can turn to go around on the front side of the hill.
You know, them places have some expensive house around them places.
Yes.
Line house, you know.
Yes, cause that's like the front part of the hill.
Yeah, so it's all along the town.
Yes. Cause I realize it's different here, the front part.
I have a house around that too, you know.
Okay.
In New York City, but you know, house around there.
Cause we have a donor as well too, where they invite me around here, they give us some stuff to go and give out. And then they want to rent out the place as well too.
Oh, okay.
With them a pool and everything. But this is the side. This is the side, the real countryside. This and all them say country not that Kingston. Country is here in Kingston. Yeah, as you can see, we just see pure banana we see as well too. You know, pure banana. The place up here that's green, cool, and nice. You know, very green, cool, and nice. Banana and breadfruit. It's too much. Guys, you see that hill? It is something else. That's not a normal hill. You know? That's not a normal hill. Esther, Patrick can't take on that hill. Patrick goes, hold on, let me take on the hill a little bit. Let me see what I go on.
Run up that hill, yeah.
Run, Esther.
Can't walk, run.
Hold on there. Esther get fit. Patrick, don't follow you know.
You're supposed to use today.
I want to see if we can see the view from up here. Alright guys.
Patrick, can I use to this?
No sir, for a long while. You tell us you're used to the flat now.
Yeah man, that flat thing, you know.
You're used to the hill anymore.
Yeah man. I left Jamaica for 85, you know.
Oh, that's a long while.
Yeah man, we were foreign nearly 40 years, man.
Oh.
So, besides, boy. So I'm old man now, you know.
Yeah.
So come home.
Esther, your dog should turn back.
Yeah man, I don't think man.
Yeah. Alright, then we now pass the border then, doggy.
I'm glad the man before me come. Glad.
Oh, we can see the view through there and thing.
Yeah. Steep hill go up, down hill go up, man.
Yeah, you can see it.
If I ready feet, you know?
Cause I can see how high it is. Look, you can see the top and you can see, guys. Just look how high it is. Very high. You soon know. You soon know. Them one are territory dogs. Guys, these are territory dogs, you know? You say Esther like the hill. I wonder if she could have managed it hiking.
I need to do more too, I need to do more walking and
yeah. Exercise is good for the body like how you're there.
If you have this, you need gym now?
It's come out earlier morning, man, it just make you walk.
Yeah, man, too, man.
I remember you the overseas, you know, really do a lot of exercise.
No, sir.
Because the place cool.
If my walk, if I carry to the grocery or the house.
Alright, you know, so you need to make exercise, yeah. So get up a man time and do it, because remember, you know, that's what keeps the body exercise.
We'll bring sardine for the dog then.
And tame them. But that's what I'm saying, like, if you're not exercising the body, you know what's going to happen. The body is going to start to lose it more, it's going to deteriorate. Bone problem. And then when it takes so long to exercise now, it gets so harder for you.
Yeah.
You know, by the time you walk 2 times, you're short of breath and everything. It's good. You know, do your exercise and come back and relax and every day you can take your, you know, and say yes. Of course.
Fresh air this
And you have the fresh air. You make Esther now and go back.
Water come from way up the hill.
You have the good breeze there.
Okay, waiting on the hill.
You see the tank there? You see?
Where?
Like a station thing up the here.
Yeah.
That way there?
Yeah, you see it?
Okay. Yeah, the pole.
Yeah.
I tank that.
That section there.
Okay. So them pipe it all the way come down.
Yeah, private on the road come all the way there.
I can see the pipe in them and thing. So is that natural water now get from?
Natural water, man. Natural rock water.
Yeah.
Like I said, you be there to make sure you have to eat up. Eat up.
So the water is not chlorine, not
No, man, straight up water, man.
Okay.
But you can be nice if you broke tonight, you know?
Yeah.
But you know, when you come down and then go there, you need a heater,
Yeah.
boil water or something.
So you can drink it same here from the pipe?
Yeah, but I don't guarantee that.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, the water they purify still,
You
but
couldn't put the filter thing on it.
no, carry through and already drink it from the pipe, you know?
Okay.
Oh.
I'm gonna look for water people are behaving.
Yeah, and depends on which end it come from as well too.
No, this is really tank water, yeah, spring water with a counter rock, you know?
Okay.
Work a hill and call up just, you know?
Oh, so it's a look of ends just where the man them cook out and thing.
We come by the rain, fuck it up even.
Okay, yeah, we could big them up, man. And what them sell is so cook out fish. So, Esther, you want soup?
You know, if you just make it on the money, get and pay them, you know.
Okay. Blessed.
Yeah, man.
You want a fish soup?
No, I'm telling you, not today.
Not today.
So you have today?
We have today.
Chicken and some rice, you know?
Yeah.
So we can get some.
Right now, baby.
Right, away. Me's a YouTuber in the place, you know?
Open a shirt nobody. Open a shirt nobody here. When I put a gravy pan it, just ease off the meat.
Yeah.
No, no, eat that, man.
No gravy, baby.
No gravy here, no.
No, grill. Well, Esther getting first class treatment.
Yeah.
That is the love up here. That is the love up here. That is the love up here. That is the love. You see that, Esther? That is the love up here.
Article people there, man.
Article, right? Some of them play them domino and all them vibes and everything.
The music people, I guess you read them.
Yeah. Oh, they have a little bar as well too.
Yeah, I could shop like, you know? So them everything, you know? Brand, I think, shop anything.
Okay. Oh, it's a good look.
And the rain stop them clean and them have them
Of course, them chop all and everything, you know, man, them all them vibes and things. You know, these things.
And the meat is good.
Yes, sir.
The meat nice.
Yes, sir, the the bad chef.
Man, the meat sweet.
Bad chef, where you say them can call for catering too. So them can hire a run board chef. Okay. I love want to keep the unity and the vibes up here, you know. Yeah, that really look like it's gonna come again very soon. Down the blocks. Hear that, guys? Thunder, lightning, earthquake, thunder right now. Nah, man. Esther, enjoy. We say eat rice, eat good. Food, eat good. Hey.
I can't say you come here and get some food.
Yes, natural is food. Cause you know why? I natural water I cook it too. I want to raise them for you. Oh, him raise them. See,
Tastes different. Can you say?
Alright, so you get.
Actually, no, I take the think Bible. I take the think Bible.
Healthy chicken I get, Esther.
Give them the boots and them something there. When people give them.
Cinco Bible.
In the water.
Yeah. Natural. So you say you sell chicken too?
Yeah.
You want to give yourself a promotion?
No. No, not yet.
You say you want too much caller come in?
No. We can't work with what going already.
Okay.
Them say the trailer too near to the edge.
Yeah. Mine, you know, mine that trailer.
This is a job with them auntie, I swear.
Why not?
Man say yo, him already good with the business him I get right now. He can't. Yeah, nah, take on him can't manage right now because the phone line that go to booming. You know? That is it. From Esther said nice, you must know.
True.
Because Esther not eat everywhere, you know. So, you see my chef? From, yeah man, because she not eat anywhere, you know. From here, she say yes. It's up, it's go up. We up in the hills, Esther come eat that one, yeah. Look on all the dog, him look pure.
I'm cool,
Cool, man.
One dream team that one could have bring him on.
Hey! Yes, you are one dream team, dog.
Chef, when them thing I'll finish up?
Yeah, well, it depends on the finishing you know, you know. You know, they're far on it right now, to be honest. Really, really far now.
I want to come and open it, I'm not opening it now.
Alright. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, if you're there, man. Well, you're there because you say you're there for yeah. No, because right now we do the graniting, you know, for the inside and the outside now.
Piping
and the piping as well. So you know the piping was the main part.
Right.
So once we get that piping there out the way, so you know say I just like the toilet, the bathroom fittings and everything. Yeah. And tiling in bedroom and the kitchen. You know, and yeah. And basically in the bathroom we can call it. And clean up the yard and give him a opening, you know. Yeah, so you know, if you always thank our extended family, we thank them so much for helping out, you know, the whole chef.
Man, you know.
Yes.
Me cleaner again, you know.
Yes, sir. You know, I would thank you so much as well because him always been an extended family to the program, so it's finally now we can put our face to the names them, you know. Because it's nice when we meet our extended family same way, you know. So whenever they can pass down as well.
Pass, man.
And we can discover one river, we can go all our vibes and cook some food.
You want me to see you go down and check out there, so.
Come like that spot there, because we can go there.
Private too, you know.
Yes. Go there and cook some food and all the little vibes, you know.
Okay, man, come hang out with a couple of days time before we leave.
Yeah, man, you know, once you come with us head down there, man, we in the worship and also cook some food, fry some fish and things. All our vibes, man. So that will be the spot. Yeah, you know, guys, we know so at least we have a spot. We say when we guests them come, then we want to go to a river, we can bring them there and cook on all our vibes because, you know, this is Kingston. You know, really have many rivers close by, you know. And the river that's like, we call it out this again, no man, Caymanas River, you cannot go out there and cook. Yeah, you cannot cook out there, you know, because they already have them restaurant and thing. But for that one, it's a nice private local one. So if you don't feel like we go to the beach or anything, we can just go out there and cook.
Yeah, that'll be a nice hangout.
Yeah, it's nice hangout, yeah. And the thing is, the river come from two sides. Yeah, from two sides. So it's good as well, so you can go on the next side, you know, and do it. It's nice. Even though it wasn't sunny, so you could have sleep properly, you know, it's a bit rainy, like now, you know, but we cannot complain because guess why? We've been screaming, say, oh, the pure sun.
I've appreciated it, man.
I've appreciated it. Can't complain, man.
The system, man.
Of course. Are you the dog fella, you know, Esther?
Fire come back and get food. I'm my fella.
I like him.
People order eat and I'm my fella.
If I hear female,
no, it was a lighter color. We upstairs in there. Pala also there, we up on the hill, so.
Yeah, man, go all the way around and it's all the car to drive.
Yeah. Imagine if you go there, so.
Yeah, man, your car ready, man.
Ready? You go ball. I'm telling you, man, because when I called the LS, I said, no, sir.
Yeah,
nice.
But you know, once you come in and you sit in, you're alright, you know?
Yes. Cool. Yeah. Well, Esther, mommy ever check up on her, you know? Sister Judy always check it up when she knows she out. Yes, guys, so I'm say we're going to head out back, you know? Try to beat the traffic, everything, and, you know, so we thank you so much.
Yeah,
yes, Keen.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So looking forward to see Patrick down in the quarters, you know.
Among, actually, the Mongo, right?
The Mongo.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So we go up on the river.
Again, you know?
Yes, so we can go up on the river and do some cooking.
Yeah, man. They're ready,
you know? Man, when you ready, man, just let me know.
We can plan for that, man.
You can do it in the week, man.
Alright, just let me know.
Weekend now, and weekend more people come out.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
during the week now,
during the week when it more.
yeah, so it's more like a during the week thing when less people there.
Yeah, man, I got one place, I go down my place and come in or make I can move and come in, but I'm not really
Of
good.
course.
You know,
Alright then, so we can just
yeah, man, and
one
tell
day
you come
now
and you
then.
link me. I say, boy, I'm not going to day there now, so I'm just link you.
Alright then, so one day now we just gonna go well
Yeah,
vibes
man.
then.
Yeah,
Right?
blessings, sir.
Yeah man, cooler man. More love and more
Yeah,
strength.
man.
Thanks for the bag as well
Don't worry
too.
yourself, man.
You know,
Don't
thanks for the bag.
Yes,
We have a little bag now, we can pack up the things them. Computer, pack and go and
Yeah, for
everything, you
real.
know. Ready to go guys. So it's so far we come get blessings. What's we have to love our extra. Extra come get food. Yes.
Yeah, man, you do all the gym teams, them, you know. When they never know.
Well, there's too much name you can know, you know. Just say, yo, big up all the dream team
all the
members
dream team.
then.
The big artist Jackson, man.
Yes.
Boom, man, them, man, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I see him. I remember the Rasta man there, you
Yeah,
know.
man.
Catch him, man, Rasta. The Rasta name them have to go. Yeah, one love every time.
Body,
Yeah.
man, and the gym team and blessed people, there, man.
That was it, man. Doing the great work, you know. So Esther, ready for road? Esther finished right on time, guys. Imagine that. Oh, yeah, should be out there, so. Yes, guys, so stay tuned. We're up in Beverly Hills. We up in the hills, trust me.
My you too. Nice
Come
meeting
visit
you.
them at Trenchtown, man.
Yeah, man.
Come there, you know.
Yeah, well.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.